it's your first time visiting our channel, I'm Lina.
And I'm Dan.
Welcome and thank you for joining our adventure. Watch this sunset. It looks like it's going to be a nice sunset tonight.
Should be chasing after the sun. We would be amazing together as one. Oh, there's no turning back for the both of us. No point of denying the truth. Let go of the past and get stronger. Just believe in the fire between us.
I got up early this morning to watch the sunrise, but it's very cloudy, so it looks like there is no sunrise this morning. Right now it's a low tide. I don't see any sunrise yet. Cloudy today, very cloudy. So many dogs on the beach. Good morning. What are you doing here? He's just sleepy, huh? It's been an hour since I've been walking on the beach, and I noticed the level of the water is rising slowly. Pretty soon, the water level will be much higher. This morning, there was no water right here, and now the water level is rising.
I'd run 1,000 miles if I could run with you. And from what I have heard, you do the same thing too. I wanna say forever, we could be good together. Guess mystery loves company. Better too late than never. You know we could do better. So take a chance and run with me. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Oh.
A very cute local market. On the road we stopped and got some water here, and they have coffee and they have ice cream.
we stopped for some water, and now we're going.
Everywhere we go, we'll turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Oh.
So you have to get the ticket here in order to go to the beach.
Yeah, we already.
Yeah, okay. So once you get the ticket, you can get in, bringing us the tickets.
Ticket, ma'am, then your change. Thanks a lot.
Jumping spot. If you're brave enough, you can jump from here. Philippines people's hospitality is amazing. Everywhere where we go here in the beach, we've been offered food. They're just amazing people. Very, very good-hearted.
Hello.
It's Saturday and this is how people are celebrating the weekend. They're having picnics and having fun.
They share with everyone.
And they share their food with everyone. We're just walking by and we were offered food by so many tables. And when you say no, they get offended, so you have to try their food. It's amazing.
You want to taste it? You want to taste it?
Just happy people.
You want to eat? This one, the boy?
Thank you.
Want to eat?
Mango?
So they gave me one mango too.
Just three. I love you.
Oh, you love me? Oh, he loves me. Two is good. Oh, he wants three. He loves me, so he gave me 3 mangoes. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So she's graduating and they're celebrating with the big pig that I showed you. So she just brought me some of the pig here.
Just finished tourism course.
Yeah.
That's Miss Millennial, Miss Siquijor.
Really?
Yeah.
From GMA.
From GMA.
Wow. So I have somebody famous here with me.
I'm famous also.
Wow, that's amazing.
Bambi. I'm famous also.
And she's very famous too. I'm so sorry.
Tacloban.
Oh, from Tacloban, Siquijor.
We are from Tacloban. Bambi is from Siquijor.
Oh, that's so good. So you're Miss Siquijor?
Siquijor, yes.
Oh, wow.
No.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
She deserves it.
316 and 316.
Wow, amazing.
17, and just graduate from the course.
From Siquijor State College. Right?
Wow, and she's so beautiful.
So you got son?
Huh?
Son.
I have son and I have daughter.
Yeah. How old is your son?
25.
Single?
No, he's married.